Toshi, first of all, there's been a lot of resistance to any nuclear power in Japan since last year's meltdown. So what's the reaction been to the fact that they're now going to restart one of the reactors?
Andrew, the sentiment of public resistance is still strong and very obvious. It's been only 15 months since we saw the nation's worst nuclear disaster. And Andrew, it's this issue of whether or not to start the Oi nuclear plant has divided the nation almost in half, according to the latest opinion polls. On Friday night last week, for example, in Tokyo, more than 10,000, at least 10,000 people gathered to protest against the resumption of the Oi nuclear plant, and that became the biggest anti-nuclear anti-nuclear protest in recent history in Tokyo, and also at the Kansai Electric shareholders meeting today.
Yes, yeah, Toshi, if I can just interrupt
hundreds
there
of
for a minute.
protesters also gathered.
Just tell us, first of all, why has the government taken this decision in the face of so much public opposition to actually restart the nuclear reactors?
Mm-hmm. Sure. Well, the biggest problem is that the shortage of electricity that's expected in the Osaka area, which is the second largest commercial and industrial area in Japan after Tokyo and its vicinity. The projection by power companies and the government shows that the power will be in short this summer at least by 15% if this Oi plant will not restart.
Okay. Now, you mentioned then there's also been a big shareholder meeting at TEPCO. TEPCO was the operator of the Fukushima reactor. It took a lot of criticism for how it responded. The share price has been hammered. What happened at this shareholder meeting today?
Yes, it started in a very chaotic way with a lot of individual investors shouting and demanding that the company implement more reforms. And well, more than 4,000 people actually, shareholders, joined the meeting, which was less than the number of investors, shareholders that participated last year. But what they decided today was actually to essentially nationalize the company, the TEPCO, in return for a $1 trillion of public fund injection.